Alright, everybody out in YouTube land, this is the wife's 2003 Toyota RAV4. I just got done pulling this thing out. When you get the new part, you're going to see 3 bolt holes in it. So you got one here, and one back here. The one back here isn't used. It only mounts up with this one, and it's only accessible through here or with the box end wrench up above or to the side. When you come up in here, it mounts up right where you see this and the other one, just like it up there. They bolt in this way and they come out this way. Usually, from what I've seen, you have to totally remove the subframe in order to drop this out. But what I did here is I just disconnected this bit of the steering, and you turn the steering pump around backwards so the pulley comes out last, and it will wiggle through this hole. The top of this thing, this right here, this is some kind of sensor or wire lead. This doesn't have any goofy automotive clip to it. It just keyed pressure fit. This one right here, this is just held on with the clamp. That's easy enough. This one, the bolt faces the passenger compartment, and it's a banjo bolt with a your typical line right here. That had some kind of funky bushing on it. Let's see if I can find it. So I had these that went on each side. I assume these can probably just be fixed or replaced with the regular old brash bushing. There's the banjo bolt. And when this goes back in, I just plan on stuffing it right back through the same hole and cleaning up all this power steering fluid. Y'all think of anything that I didn't cover? Ask me later.